there guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Before we do anything else, please go down and smash that subscribe button and give a thumbs up and put post notifications on. That would be awesome. Thank you so much. I have an unboxing to do. In here is the smallest Rubik's Cube in the world. Let me show you. Okay, so I've just had to rip this off without holding the camera, but I'm not going to have it looked in yet. There is something else in there, but I'm going to leave that for another video. So I'm just going to take out this. Look at that. That is so tiny. That's just absolutely awesome. It's supposed to actually work as well, so I'm going to test that in a moment. That's just stunningly small. So guys, it is absolutely tiny. That's a 20p piece next to it. And yeah, it's just absolutely awesome. And it works. It works really well. Okay, so look at this. It actually works really well. Which way am I going with this? Look at this. I don't want to mess it up too much though, because I've got to figure out how to put it back together. Okay, so if you would like to see this solved by one of my scouts, please go and smash that subscribe button. I'm going to mess it up completely and I'm going to see how long it takes him to solve this. He can solve a normal size Rubik's Cube in 7.36 seconds, which is pretty awesome. How long will it take him to solve this tiny cube? Okay, leave a comment below. How long do you think it will take one of my scouts to solve this cube? Please go and subscribe and I will get him to solve this and I will put the video on in the next couple of days. I also have some more really tiny little toys to show you because they're just awesome. And as I'm called Tiny Trekker because I'm only 4'11", I thought, why not use some of these? This is just absolutely amazing. Just hope I don't lose it. Thanks for watching guys. Cheers. Bye.